In today's video, I'll be sharing a quick DIY and some friend mail. Stay tuned. Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be sharing a quick and easy DIY and some friend mail. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Karen and I enjoy cooking, cleaning, and home decor. I also enjoy shopping hauls and occasionally a DIY. So if you're interested in that type of content, I would love for us to stay connected. Hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back. All right, before I get into the DIY, I recently received some friend mail from my beautiful sister here on YouTube, Mrs. V, over at Saving with Mrs. V. And Mrs. V sent me a nice care package, and in it was these Dove creams. Mrs. V knows what I like. I love these Dove creams. And this is the pink one, the pink Dove cream. And I like it because, for two reasons, because it's very moisturizing and it has a fresh scent. And so this is one of my favorite creams. So she sent me some of these. And then I love stickers, and Mrs. V knows I love stickers. And she sent me some stickers, some really cute stickers too. She sent me these. And I'll be using these stickers in my planner. And hopefully in the new year, guys, I will be doing some more. I didn't get a chance to do any this year, actually. Some plan with me videos where I decorate my planner, because I love to decorate my planner. But I'm doing that hopefully starting in the new year. From time to time, doing some plan with me videos where I'm decorating my planner, and I'll be using my stickers, of course. And she sent me these as well. So thank you, Mrs. V. And she sent me a beautiful card. And let me show you the cute little fly girl on the front of the card. Isn't she cute? And then she's got one on the inside of the card. Mrs. V sent me a beautiful note, but she put a fly girl right on the inside of the card. She sent me a beautiful card too. Look at the cute little ribbons on it. So thank you, Mrs. V. And she had everything wrapped in this white doily. Now, I will make sure and put Mrs. V's channel down in my description box below so that you can go over and check her out, because she recently DIY'd a pumpkin on her channel, a lace pumpkin, and it turned out really cute too. So I want you guys to see that video. So I'll link Mrs. V's channel. Her channel is called Saving with Mrs. V. I'll link her channel below so that you can go over and check her out, and make sure you check out that video that she recently did when she DIY'd that pumpkin using this white doily. And I'm going to be doing a DIY with this too. I don't know what I'm going to do yet with it, but I do plan on doing some. I had an idea, but when I do, I will make sure that I share it with you guys. So Mrs. V, thank you so much. I appreciate you. All right, and speaking of pumpkins, I am getting ready to DIY a pumpkin of my own. So let me show you what I've got so far. I've gone ahead and spray painted my pumpkin. As you can see, I still have the painter's tape on it because I was trying to protect the stem, but I still got a little bit of spray paint on it. But I spray painted the pumpkin. Let me show you what the pumpkin looked like before. This is what the pumpkin looked like before. I have a stash of pumpkins because I love pumpkins. I love to decorate for the fall. So I took this pumpkin and spray painted one just like it, and spray painted it pink, and I used the Krylon spray paint in hot pink, and I spray painted the pumpkin, and then I also spray painted a couple of leaves as well. I just had a pack of those Dollar Tree fall leaves, and I just took a couple out and spray painted those. What happened was I had a bag of leaves, and I only had one pink leaf in there that looked just like this. I couldn't find any more, so, and this is real pretty. I don't even know, I've had these for years. You know how you just collect a lot of fall decor, and you put them in a bin, and that's what I did. But for some reason, I only found one pink leaf. So I don't know what that was all about. So I had to go ahead, because I'm going to be using these on an upcoming vignette, and I needed some more pink leaves, and so I decided to go ahead and spray paint these. So I'll be using those. But now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to just decorate the pumpkin just a little bit. And this is in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That's why I'm doing painting. That's why I painted the pumpkin pink. So let me go ahead and finish this DIY. It's real quick and easy. I've got some stickers here, and I found these at Michael's, the breast cancer awareness stickers. Found these. And I'm going to be using also some lettering on the pumpkin. I'm going to be putting my mom's name on this pumpkin. So let me go ahead and pan the camera down so you can actually see what I'm going to do. All right, give me just a second. All right, guys, so here's my pumpkin. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the letters on the pumpkin. I'm going to spell my mom's name. My mom's name was Joan. So I'm going to go ahead and put her name on the pumpkin. All right, so here's the J. All right, guys, I'm going to have to get my hot glue gun and see if I can hot glue these letters on. They're not sticking. It's probably because of the paint. So give me a second. I got to heat up my hot glue gun. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back, and in the process of trying to hot glue the letters because they're not going to stick on there by themselves. So I've hot glued the J, and moving on to the O, and instead of using an actual letter O, I am going to use one of these the breast cancer awareness stickers to go on there. Now we'll see if this will adhere to the pumpkin. I don't know. If not, I'll have to use hot glue for that also. Remember at the beginning of the my video when I did my intro to you, I said occasionally a DIY? Yep. Now you can see why. I'm not very good at DIYs. I'll try. You know, maybe I'll get better, but that's why I said occasionally. All right, so here's the J. This is going to be the O. And let me get my A. Like I said, I don't do a lot of DIYs. That's why I said occasionally, but I will try to do it. I love watching creators do DIYs. I'm just not that good at it myself. So, all right, so we've got J-O-A-N for Joan. Now I'm gonna, let's see, what else am I gonna use? I think I'm gonna use this ribbon here. All right, so I've got my ribbon over here. I think I'm gonna put these gemstone stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these around the pumpkin, guys, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Whoops. All right, so I've got one. I think it's gonna turn out okay. Okay, guys, my pumpkin is finished. I've got my gemstones, my pink gemstones, all around my pumpkin. And on this side, I've got my breast cancer awareness ribbon, and my mom's name is spelled out on this side, J-O-A-N. All right, so this is what it looks like. I think it turned out cute. You will be seeing this pumpkin again. It's going to be a part of a vignette challenge, a breast cancer awareness vignette challenge that's coming up very soon. So you will see this pumpkin again. All right, I enjoyed putting it together, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for watching. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.